it says, okay, increase the prices, and I'm there on my laptop about to increase the price. And I'm literally thinking, like, people are gonna hate me for this. People, this was when my YouTube channel was really small. But I think, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Because pricing myself at £1 an hour is not good enough. And so I put in the biggest number that I can think of. I set my hourly rate to £90 an hour. And someone buys on the same day, and this was Ryan. And so I'm about to hop onto this call with Ryan, thinking that he's some like rich guy or something. And he's literally just an ordinary young man who wants to know more about fitness and mental health, and he's watched a couple of my videos. I have a pretty good call with him, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I didn't expect much. Previously, I'd have good calls with people, they'd message me like, oh, well, you know, hey, I haven't done anything that you told me to, it didn't work, and I wanna get more clients. So I take my sales page where I'm selling this £90 an hour coaching, by the way, as a 23-year-old who's currently on government welfare, and I'm about to go share it on YouTube, and I press send, literally thinking, okay, I'm gonna get hate. And just as I expected, my notifications start blowing up like crazy. I hear my phone ding ding, you know, just start going off. And I'm literally thinking, okay, these guys, you know, like my fans, some subscribers are commenting saying that my thing is a rip-off, that I'm overcharging, that it's a scam. You know, these 14-year-olds are going crazy in the comments saying, look at this, everyone, he's increased his prices, it's not fair, and everything else. And when I actually look at my phone, I realize it's not messages from these 14-year-olds, it's actually messages from Ryan. And he sent me a picture. He sent me a picture of his habit tracker. And below it, he said, just checked off every single habit. I did the workout that you recommended. It was really hard, but I got through and I feel awesome. I also downloaded the meditation app and I did the 5-minute version of the daily meditation like you said. And it feels kind of nice. I understand why you meditate every single day. What's next? I was actually taken aback by this.